that chute out of that place real quick anyway. Everybody that was here stayed and said, forget this shit, I'm going home. Come to this part of the damn country. Yeah, she has asked me before, when's the best time to come there? I said, well, never really. Really freaky.
It's opened up since it hit. Parts of it maybe. Oh my God.
What? You haven't been down this way?
No.
This way
It's been blocked off.
Whoa. That's
wow.
Right. Let me get a picture.
There's your health food store.
Yeah, I know. That's the health food store. I heard that got damaged really bad. Hang on.
Alright, I can't go too slow.
I heard it got damaged real bad.
Get some video of that too. Damn.
I don't know if I can take a picture or not. Jesus Christ.
But you can have pizza.
Yeah, you can have pizza.
I guess I wasn't hungry for pizza, so I decided to leave it be.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, it got a little bit of damage.
Damn.
What was that? The sign? I may have got this camera in the way of that one. Jesus Christ. No wonder it was blocked off down this way.
Yeah, it hit the worst over here.
Yeah, this
It did very little on the other side, but hit more down here. Damn. I guarantee you that the Branson shows are putting on special shows this year.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna top last season. They're definitely gonna top last season. This would be the best time to go do shows is probably this year, because they're gonna be putting on some really special. I mean, you think they praise the veterans in their shows? They're gonna be doing something different this season. That's all there is to it. Shit.
That place.
Are you videoing all this?
Yeah, I am, but it's kind of hard to.
Well, you got pictures, so what we can do is go back and then take the highway and go to
This is the same
Target
thing.
and all that from there. So we'll come back this way, if that's okay. We can get some better video or something.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm videoing it, but it's hard to do this and that at the same time.
Or I can let you drive on the way back this way, and then I'll get video, whichever, it don't matter.
Well, I'm getting video, but it's...
If you don't mind driving a little bit. After lunch.
Me drive?
You drove this thing before, haven't you?
Yeah, but I don't feel like driving. Big old tree down right there.
I missed that sign. That was a very nostalgic sign.
What sign?
The sign for that hotel.
Oh,
that
yeah.
Hotel there.
Look at the school, though. The school didn't get anything. That old ancient school,
Sure.
it looks like just a little teeny bit.
And not much here. I'm thinking.
No.
I'm thinking its
It
path.
bounced.
I'm thinking its path was like down the road.
They said it bounced.
Huh.
It bounced.
Yeah, there's some parts where it looks like it zigzagged.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah,
there's
some it's on that side, some it's on this side.
and
They said
then,
it
and then there's
bounced.
parts where it looks like it just went down the highway.
Yeah, it bounced.
And
Well,
then
there'd be damage if it went down the highway.
It decided to hit all that, and then here it looked like it just went down 76, took a little cruise. Took a little 120 mile an hour cruise down this highway.
Yep.
And then it decided to damage all that.
Tornadoes are weird. They do
Yeah.
what they want to do.
Oh yeah.
There's nothing up here. It's like plain old 76.
Yeah, until you hit Jubilee and Walmart.
Yep.
And it flew a car crowd from the Walmart parking lot to a shopping center right past this place. I'll show you here once we get there. But it picked up a cart corral and flew swimming right across the street. Christy and I saw that. I was like, what the hell? It was all crumpled up and folded up. She tore up this place. That hotel's no more.
Nope.
And then that place just opened last month.
It's Holiday Inn.
The Burger Shack. It just opened last month.
Shoney's got pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, that hotel is... What was that place? Oh, that was Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Yeah, this little turnoff here, there was a cart corral, a Walmart cart corral parked there. It picked it up in the middle of the parking lot and swung it right over here.
So you going into Jubilee? I wonder if this is where demolition, cleanup, asbestos state. Oh yeah, that's right. Asbestos is everywhere. That's cancer-causing crap. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.